Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Broke, where we're not just broke, but we are crypto broke. And if you've seen the markets today, they are very, very down. Here we're covering crypto strategies, education, really training in cryptos. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so definitely consult your financial advisor before investing into cryptocurrency. And if you're really interested in investing in cryptocurrency, use the links below, support the channel. We have Coinbase, we have crypto.com, and we have KuCoin for traders. Also, remember to subscribe to the channel, give it a big thumbs up. So let's get into today's episode. So a lot of things in the market going on today. Bitcoin obstacles mount amid China cryptocurrency warning. So there was a warning a little bit earlier today about Bitcoin and the obstacles causing Bitcoin to tumble again in price, which we're going to look at a little bit ago. So ultimately, looking at the rocky road that Bitcoin has been very volatile this year. So Bitcoin and other major currency slumps after the People's Bank of China reiterated that digital tokens cannot be used for payments. Largest token fell as large as 2.3% to 42,000. As of right now, it's at 41, as you can see the slump here. Throughout the day, we're looking at a 4-hour chart here, so it has decreased significantly throughout the day. It's even under 41 at this point in time. We seen it earlier with Elon Musk going back and forth about comments about Tesla holding it, Tesla selling it. Ether, which is Ethereum, Dogecoin, and last week's sensation Internet Computer also retreated. Internet ICP has ultimately had a very, very tough start. They shot up right at the beginning. It has been getting absolutely destroyed ever since it has come out, just with the pullback of the cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin in particular. Latest chapter tightening the noose around cryptocurrency. Virtual currencies should not and cannot be used in the market because they are not real currencies, according to the notice post of PBOC's official WeChat account. Financial and payment institutions are not allowed to price products or services with virtual currency. They just want to caution, said Bobby Lee, founder and chief executive officer of crypto storage provider Ballot. They feel the market is overhyped. They're speculative trading. They're looking out for the best interests of the people, which again, that is why we say at the beginning, definitely make sure you do your research. Beijing, since 2017, have abolished initial coin offerings, clamped down on virtual currency trading within its borders, forcing many of the exchanges overseas. The country was home to about 90% of trades, but now they are pretty much extinct in China. They've moved to other countries because essentially they did not want them there, which is interesting because China has recently taken steps to its own digital yuan, seeking to replace cash and maintaining control over the payment landscape. So that is really the big thing with the decentralization of cryptocurrency, is ultimately the United States, China, other countries cannot control the money coming in and the money going out because there is no regulation behind it, which again is what a lot of governments are looking at. It's no surprise to me as China's capital controls are challenged by cryptocurrency purchases in the country and transferred outside of the country. So avoiding them using them in the country is essential to gaining capital controls. Again, the crypto market, guys, is absolutely crazy because there is no regulation. You can have coins that are up 100% to 1,000% in a single day, which again, it is very, very crazy. To see exactly how much in the price swings can be when you're looking at buyouts, when you're looking at purchases, depending on the method you're using. It is a lot of the same strategies and methods that are used for trading, whether you're a day trader, stock market, things of that nature. The crypto space kind of runs on the same kind of parameters. It's just a bit of a mess. TSLA enters in the space. We saw some aggressive Bitcoin buying. As we know, a lot of companies are still looking to purchase Bitcoin. It is taking a lot of time to go ahead and get Bitcoin, to do the bids for Bitcoin. Meanwhile, the latest Bank of America fund manager survey shows that long Bitcoin is the most crowded trade in the world right now. That is right. So as we know, Coinbase gained popularity. It was actually number one when it came to the most downloaded app on the Apple Store for a little bit, beating out TikTok. Just showing you how many people are now getting into cryptocurrency And a lot of those people don't have any experience and don't have any education in cryptocurrency itself, making it very, very difficult for people to put money in, losing a lot of money, especially when the prices do come down. It's a very, very tough market, like I said before. So let's take a look. As you can see, Bitcoin continues to degress. Even looking on the hourly chart, had a couple little up spikes, a couple little down spikes. Now it is still declining, as you can see. So the fate of crypto, I know crypto is here to stay. It's just going to be interesting to see exactly where this bottoms out and when the recovery is going to be. With cryptocurrencies, recoveries are very, very quick. Personally, I do not own any Bitcoin. I keep everything that I have in Ethereum. I feel like the coin, the Ethereum coin, and even looking here, it looks like it is spiking up quite a bit now. So it might have fell down here, found a little bit support right towards this bottom, and the price is almost back up to 41 again, which again, we see Bitcoin is a lot slower to react when it comes to recovery. Ultimately, it does take a little bit of time for the coin to go up, but ultimately, a lot of your altcoins will go up a lot faster than Bitcoin. Even with that being said, we can look at the market that we have here on KuCoin. So looking changes, we have a lot of them down 48%. So that means you put $10,000 in there, you're down to 5,000 just like that. But then again, you look at some of these coins, 24% gain, 20% gain. This is a lot of gain. Even with Bitcoin being down 10%, we have ones like Matic. Matic is still up 12% on the day. So ultimately doing very well. A lot of the smaller coins, there will come a point where a lot of the smaller coins do get, I'm in my opinion, phased out or are actually going to go away. There's going to be a point right now, I believe they said there's like 1,400, 1,500 coins in the market, which is a ton. There's an absolute ton of cryptocurrencies out there. So ultimately, there's going to have to be kind of, in my opinion, again, a consolidation of cryptocurrency to really bring some stability to what it is with the blockchain and exactly how it works. So as we continue, guys, Bitcoin is still, so right there, went up 200, went down 200. Now it is showing negative on the hour again. We can even break it down when you go to, let's say, the days. So had a couple rough days. It's been a rough pretty much week for Bitcoin in general. Even looking back here, you can see how it was all kind of stagnant, had a big race up, kind of another swoop up to some higher peaks. Right now, we're just doing the same. It is on a decline right now, but again, almost up to 41, just like that, very, very quickly on that hourly chart. And again, this is the reason why I say do your research. Do all of your research before you get into cryptocurrency, guys, because it can swing very, very quickly. So ultimately, guys, that will do it for today. Just wanted to look at the quick article. I've seen the article on Forbes. I've seen it on the Yahoo Finance. I've seen it in a bunch of different factors that are talking about what is going on with cryptocurrency. First, it was Elon Musk. Then it was China. There's a couple hurdles, and I really don't like, I guess, how crazy the volatility is when it just comes to news around cryptocurrency in general. It seems like news can either really, really help the cryptocurrencies or it can bottom them out, just like you're seeing right now. But if you do believe in the product, now is probably a good time to go ahead and invest in it, because it is towards the bottom of the market right now, is my opinion. Again, not a financial advisor. Definitely make sure you do your research. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. And as always, thank you guys for watching.